How to fix the wrong jack of the power adapter of the Samsung monitor, because it's different from this. First step, you must cut the wrong jack. Okay? Second step, you put the wire in the device for it. Be careful and show two wires, blue wire and brown wire. Now connect the adapter to the power and check with the tester the wire where is the polarity, negative or positive. You put the black sensor of the tester in the blue and the red of brown wire. Okay, you have see. Okay, the blue is the negative, the brown is the positive. Okay. Now you have the right jack for soldering, for get the power plug right for monitor Samsung. Okay, you have two type of plug, the big ones and the little ones. The big ones is the positive, the negative is the little ones. Okay, put the soldering paste in the contact for make right soldering. Take the solder and make same operation with the two wire of the power adapter and solder. Remember, the brown is the positive and the blue is negative. Okay, remember to isolation from contact with normal. Okay, okay, now for isolation and make all strong, you take the hot glue and put where you have make the solder before. Be careful, all parts must be covered to hot glue. Alright, now wait the hot glue be cold and work finite.